Step 5. Create a shadow analysis using sun diagram. Turn off the dynamic symbols layer tag since we're focusing on the shadow diagram first. Use the third feature of sun diagram to perform the shadow analysis. I'll select the time range. Then, choose the image save location and set the image resolution. Click Apply and wait for the plugin to export images for each time within the selected range. The export process is complete. We will now examine the resulting images from the plugin. And we will combine them into a video using Photoshop. You can use Capcut software, or any software that can do this. Here, I'm using Photoshop, specifically the load files into stack script to load all the images at once. Make sure to check the image order. Press OK and wait for the program to load all the images. We are going to use the timeline feature to put the photos together as a video. Select all layers and click Create Video Timeline. Set timeline frame rate 1 frame per second. Convert frame, make frame from clips. Drag the last frame out slightly, and then place it back or put it back in place, so that Photoshop recognizes all the frames. I don't know why this error occurs. Click Play to preview the video. Save the file to prevent errors. Okay, we're going to export them as a video. I have already set up the video render settings. You can take a look. Wait a moment and check the result. Okay, done. We have completed the shadow analysis for December. Do the same for June and September.